Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rahadi Bakri Hasibuan. I finished my study from University of Indonesia, majoring Magister of Management. I worked as Assistant Analyst of Financial Projection in PLN Aceh. 35,000 megawatt program is strategic and challenging government electricity program from 2015 until 2019, which is executed by PLN and independent power producers to increase the power capacity and transmission line and also the main substation, so that we can reach the target of electrification ratio to 97% in 2019. And I'm optimistic this program will be achieved on target successfully because it also supported by the Presidential Government number 4 on January 2016 about exploration of electricity infrastructure development. I want to represent the best reputation of PLN agent to BUMN scope by improving the creativities, competencies, experiences to make better and wide network, encourage young generation of potential talent, and also to synergize the soul and ideas to make this program comes true in Indonesia. Thank you. I'm Rahadi Bakri Hasibuan. Let's be super agent of synergy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.